Alright, so I got some bean sprouts. I got some baby spinach with corn and tomatoes with green peppers, some chopped up mushrooms. This big leaf here, this is Malabar spinach. This is, this green right here is bok choy. I'm boiling that for the first time, seeing how that works. And I'm gonna make some boiled plantain. I haven't put it in the pot yet. Right here, right now, I got some brown rice with got like 5 tomatoes that's gonna soak up in the rice. Like some chopped up green onions, 1 big mushroom. I'm actually just exploring that to see how well it would taste good. And yeah, that's my little thing for right now. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna cook some fried tofu, some fried lemon pepper tofu. So I haven't put that on the pan yet. But yeah, that's my little quick meal or quick prep right now until I get done. Seasonings I use, I got 21 seasoning. I love smoked paprika and sea salt. I'd rather use sea salt than regular salt. Got some garlic powder right here, some sesame seed, and what else did I use? Sometimes I use some onion salt. So yeah, that's it for right now. Just giving y'all a little taste of what I'm cooking up for the fam, for the village. This is Dom, and I am out. Until next time.